What's up, guys? It's been a while. Before I even start this video, I'm actually gonna unbox something I got today. Hold on one second. Here it is. Can you guys tell what it is from here? Let's see if you guys can tell. Avoid rain, fragile items, this side up, no stepping on. Stacking limit is 3? I don't know what that is. And no rolling. What does that even mean? Anyways, let's open it up. It is actually a carry-on. We went to the Caribbean last. My carry-on actually ripped, so I needed a carry-on. It's got the turtle shell. It's like a turtle shell outside, so it kind of looks like a turtle shell. It has the locks, so there's a passcode. I guess you can set your own passcode to whatever you want, and these just lock in here. So if you open this, you just unlock it, and there's a little front compartment. You see right there. A couple pockets right here, where I'm gonna put like a. So what I wanted to do is make my own smart luggage, so you can charge your phone. But I wanted to make my own, make it a little cheaper. So I'm gonna put a battery right here. And also, a lot of these new suitcases, the smart luggage suitcases, had their own luggage scale. So I got one right here. You also got your laptop spot and then a tablet spot where I can put like my, I don't have a tablet, so I can put like my Nintendo Switch there or something like that. I give this carry-on a thumbs up. Definitely for the nerds out there, the business people who are out there, people who need just a quick getaway, get this. It's really nice. Anyways, let's go on to our other adventures. It is a beautiful afternoon here. I'm with Danny, back with Danny.
Gorgeous afternoon.
We're at La Jolla Shores Beach right now. Really nice here. But we're trying to find some like snacks and something to drink. And he needs a towel because he forgot his beach towel. So we're trying to find like a towel shop or something. But I don't think we're going to be successful
at all.
Because there's really nothing here.
It's just like, I'm going to have to buy a towel off of somebody.
I think it's just like hotels or something. But this place is packed. What is that? A paddleboard or something?
In the water. Surf class. If you look at the surf class going on.
I need to learn how to surf.
It's actually, briefly, like I'm not like super good at it, but I can, if you give me a board, I can hit a couple waves.
No, I can't. I gotta learn. We just got a towel, California Republic towel. Yeah, you come here, you gotta get one of these kind of towels. Now we're gonna get some Mexican food real fast.
Rolled tacos.
Hopefully no one steals our shit because we left our
rolled tacos.
We left
I crossed
towel
I'm crossing
and football on the beach. So hopefully no one takes it.
La Jolla, dude, we should be all right.
I got a cramp. We ate some some beef rolled tacos. Really good. That's the one thing about San Diego. They have really good Mexican food, but all the other food is eh. Like they don't really have a lot of good sub shops. But anyways, we just got back to our spot. And we're about to jump in this water. Hopefully, it's not too cold. You ready?
Yeah!
Nice little area. You want to come over here, have a little cookout, or your family reunion? It's a nice field here. Nice field here. Play some football. Have the dogs and some tennis courts. I mean, not tennis courts, volleyball rackets. And you'll be all set. Yeah, we're leaving the beach now. We're gonna head our separate ways. We actually got a real cool video coming up. Can I say what it is?
Yeah.
Or is it a secret?
I mean, they're all secrets, but you can still say what they are.
We're making a music video.
Yes, we are.
It's gonna be live. So there's like how many other guys?
There's 2 other guys.
2.
Yeah.
We're probably gonna meet them. Not next weekend, but the weekend after. We're gonna do some like
get all the math.
Yeah, we're gonna
dialed in and
we're gonna set it all up.
Scene set up.
And we'll probably hang out with them later. That weekend or whatever. Do some stuff around San Diego. But yeah, you'll meet him soon. I haven't met him yet, so we'll see. Should be cool. He just told me like the whole thing of how he's gonna do it. Sounds really good. Just stay tuned for that. Music video coming up. This guy right here is the next Tupac. White Tupac. Alright, I'm about to wrap it up. I'm gonna head off to Sunset Cliffs. I'll catch you later.
Alright, man.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
We'll get together.
Enjoy.
See you later, bro.
Experience is for meant to be. Helps me navigate as they validate their treachery.
Just got to Sunset Cliffs. Sunset Cliffs is actually in Ocean Beach. Ocean Beach is another like oceanside neighborhood area like Mission Beach and Pacific Beach. But it is really nice over here too. These houses are just really beautiful here. The houses, and then wait till you see what the cliffs look like. I seen a glimpse of them over there, but I'm actually gonna get up close. I'm walking down the beach. I'm trying to find another drone spot. My memory card actually got full while I was flying the drone, so I'm just gonna erase everything and redo it. I had a couple dope shots, but I'll live. Ocean Beach is more like a hippie town, or like not hippie town, but like beach bums. So you'll see like people with nice like vans where you sleep in. You can put like a bed in there, but you see a lot of those, and people just smoking and relaxing, kind of like hippies, but more of beach bums. But it's really nice. Hey guys, check out this house. Ocean Beach is almost as nice as La Jolla, and probably nicer than Mission Beach. Just got to Coronado Island. This is basically the island right across from San Francisco skyline. San Francisco's over there, but we got a whole bunch of bikers here. Let me get out the way before I get ran over.
Can I be on the vlog?
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on. So guys, I am on Coronado Island. It's not really an island, it's like more like a peninsula, but it's really big. But it's basically some of the richest people in the country. The houses are amazing. Same thing with La Jolla. It's just huge. The houses are huge. It's really nice here. The beach is that way. We took dogs to the beach a couple times. And here is the San Diego skyline. Very nice from over here. Tomorrow, it's 4th of July, so they're doing the fireworks here, like in the bay. They take off from 4 barges. It's like some of the best fireworks in the country. So I'm sure this place is going to be packed. So I'm just trying to find a location because I want to bring my drone, fly my drone over the fireworks and have the skyline in the background. So I'm just trying to scout locations because I know this place is going to be packed, and I probably going to have to take off from way back there. I know there's people going to be in their hotels. These are all hotels. They're going to be probably on their balconies watching. There's like, it's kind of like a boardwalk thing, not like Venice or not like the Mission Beach boardwalk, but it's kind of like little boardwalks. There's like a farmer's market and some restaurants, and there's a ferry right there. This is actually one of my favorite things of taking pictures of, even though you know I love taking pictures of like palm trees and in the sunset, but I love taking pictures of the skyline, especially when it's all lit up and the sun is just going down, not quite all the way down because it'll be like totally dark and just lights, just the skyline, the city lights will be up, but I love taking pictures of the skyline when it's like this, the purple sky or pinkish sky, the lights all up like this. It just looks so good. Now I'm gonna pack up. I will be back here tomorrow for the fireworks. I'm gonna try to put on a good show for you guys. That was a successful day. I haven't went out and like shot some actual cool shots or hanged with anybody in a while. Got a lot of nice shots, a lot of nice pictures. Got some drone footage. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you didn't, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos. And the next plan is in a week, less than a week, we're going to Cabo. That's in Mexico, down at the tip of Baja, California, Mexico. So if you look on the map and you go all the way to California, go all the way down, and you'll see Mexico. We'll be at the very tip. We got a nice resort and everything. And I will see you in the next vlog. This is the life of Mikey. Peace.
Well,